Hi guys, okay, so I want to upcycle this crystal shelf. It's a moth shape, and because I do taxidermy with moths and butterflies a lot, I absolutely love the shape. But it was only available in this darker color, and I have no dark colors actually in my room. I have white, gold, old rose and sage, so it wasn't fitting. So we're going to spray paint this baby up in a gold color. It's a soft matte gold, so it's perfect. I did one layer of spray paint, so just one coat, and I was expecting that I had to do like 2 or 3 colors of spray paint, but no, I just did one and it was really enough. Anyways, the shelves are from AliExpress, and if I remember correctly, they are like 19 euros. They have all shapes and sizes and they light up. I will show you the lights in the end. So yes, they still work after spray painting the wire. I did spray paint my fingers, and after 5 days they are still gold, but worth it. And it was looking perfect. However, I was still having another problem with the shelves. The shelves themselves were looking downwards, and I didn't want to risk that they're falling off with my crystals. So I got this cheap dollar store hook that I'm sticking on the wall in the back, and now it's perfect. And here you go. I freaking love the outcome. It's so much better than the dark, and I freaking love it. Thank you.